Alright, we'll be looking at solving fractional equations. Let us try an example. 2x minus 1 over 5 equals 5x minus 11 over 4. Okay, here we have a fractional equation. We have one fraction on the left hand side and one fraction on the right hand side. When we have single fraction on the left hand and the right hand side, what we can do is cross multiply. So we multiply like this. Good. So the 5 will multiply by, since we have two terms here, a plus sign or a minus sign separate terms. So here we have a minus sign, so we have two terms. Since we have two terms, the best thing we can do is to put it in a bracket. So the 5 is multiplied by 5x minus 11. Now the 4 will multiply by all of this, which is 2x minus 1. Good. So the next step, what we will do, we'll clear the bracket. So we have 5 times 5x will give us 25x minus 5 times 11. This is 5 times negative 11, so it will give us a negative 55. 4 times 2x, 8x. 4 times negative 1, negative 4. Okay, the next step, what we like to do is to group like terms. You can put all the x on one side of the equal sign. We can either put it on the left hand side or the right hand side. And we group the numbers together. So here we'll have 25x minus, bring across 8x positive, here will be negative. So if we take this across, we leave a negative 4 here. So we write our negative 4, and now we bring this across. Negative there, when it goes across, becomes the inverse, which is positive. Good. So here we have a subtraction sign, so 25 subtract 8 will give us 17x equal unlike signs. When you have different signs, we need to subtract as well and keep the sign of a larger number, so we'll have 51 here. Good. So 17x equals to 51. We need to solve for x. So the 17 is multiplying by x. If you take it across, we'll divide, so x will equals to 51 over 17, and 17 can go into 51 3 times. Okay, that's our first problem. Let us look at another problem similar to this one. Let's say we have 3x minus 1 over 4 equals to 5x plus 2 over 3. Again, we have single fractions, so we cross multiply. So the 4 will multiply by 5x plus 2 equals to the 3 will multiply by 3x minus 1. And again, we can write this on that side of equal sign and put this over that side. It doesn't matter which side we put it. Good, so now we clear our brackets. 4 times 5x, 20x. 4 times positive 2 will give us positive 8. 3 times 3x, 9x. 3 times negative 1 will give us negative 3. Now we group like terms. We have 20x, bring this across, becomes negative 9x equals negative 3. We have positive 8, take it across, we have negative there. So 20x minus 9x will give us 11x. Here we have like signs. So like signs we need to add and keep the same sign. Good, so x now will equals negative 11. Since this is multiplying, we'll divide. 11 can go into 11 one time. And since we are divided by negative, our answer will be negative 1.